there's nothing unique about the assessments. All of those assessments are assessments that other organizations created. What is unique about TUG Cards is we found a simple way to get them together in a digital format and make it available to leaders to make reads as they're facing issues or adaptations that they need to make. So the TUG Cards, Inspire Network, will produce the TUG Cards using these assessments. We will digitize them and put them in an easy-to-use format, ultimately to be available on your phone as you move around and go around your business. So one way that I use TUG Cards is when I have individual one-to-one, or as I call it, coffee time. I have often two screens, or I have a tablet like an iPad with me. I pull up the person's TUG card that I'm talking to help me make reads why they are saying what they're saying in context of their values, their energy, drive, or attitudes. What I've learned before using TUG Cards, I would jump to judgment and judge the people from the perspective of my own point of view. What TUG Cards help me do is almost like a trick my mind and truly immerse myself into the talent and unique genius of a person that I'm working with. So that's one way I use TUG Cards, and that's the one way when I talk to my coaching clients, they ask for help with issue with this person or that person or the team as a whole. That's where I go first. The second way I use TUG Cards, and we use in our organizations and the teams that we coach, is we use TUG Cards to make long reads and quick reads. What are the long reads? The long reads are related to alignment to a functional teams and organizations. What does that mean? There are certain geniuses that will align with marketing teams better than, say, administrative teams, or certain geniuses that will align with advice teams better than marketing or administration or even operations. We use TUG Cards to do assessment of where this person could potentially fit. We also use TUG Cards in selection of the right person for our team. Finally, quick reads would be reads that we look at. We have a 90-day sprint project that there's a multidisciplinary team put together from different functional teams working together to get the project done from ideation through activation all the way to execution within 90 days. And the final way we use TUG Cards is in creating those teams for, some special projects and so forth. That's where the team maps become very, very helpful.